Good morning and welcome to Rational Thinking. My name's Joshua and today we'll be recapping the UK general election, the Federal Reserve meeting and the European Central Bank meeting. So to start off with the pound, sterling last week had a massive week. The UK general election and the landslide victory by the Tory party caused sterling to rally considerably. However, gains were capped at the top end, purely because although a Tory victory has been confirmed and Boris Johnson's government now hold the majority of the seats and he has less reliance on the ERG, he still has many things to get confirmed, such as trade deals, future transition periods, and also the free movement of people. So moving on to the euro, we had Christine Lagarde's first big European Central Bank policy meeting. Now, in years gone by, where we've had Mario Draghi as a dove, Christine Lagarde wanted to distance herself from the traditional dove and hawk way of thinking and said she would like to be seen as the wise owl. What she was effectively trying to say was that irrespective of what happens, she's going to be there to steady the central bank, to try and boost the economy with whatever needs to be done, whether that's fiscal reform by putting pressure on the various governments of the member states, or even look at something as radical as negative interest rates. She very much said that she was looking forward to working with the central bankers to try and solve the issue of inflation within the ECB. So moving on to the US dollar, the dollar had a pretty negative week. The Federal Reserve meeting on Wednesday effectively indicated that the US would not be looking to raise interest rates at any point between now and mid-2021. Now, although this is not massively negative in the way that they're not cutting interest rates, having had 3 interest rate cuts this year, you would expect them over the next 2 years to at least look at making some sort of incremental increase. However, they have indicated to keep things as they are. Nevertheless, they have reiterated a willingness to act should the economic conditions change, but as things stand, interest rates are on hold. So looking to the week ahead, we've got quite a big week in the way of data. We've got manufacturing data for all sterling, dollar and euro out this week, but the main focal point is going to be the Super Thursday meeting. This week, having had the general election last week, it will be interesting to see if Mark Carney's rhetoric changes in what he outlines for UK growth following Brexit. But also we've got UK inflation figures, the year-on-year figures, due later on this week. And that's all from me. As always, thank you for joining us and please feel free to like and share the video. If you have any questions or queries regarding foreign exchange, please feel free to reach out to us on the email address provided. And if not, from myself and everyone here at Rational Foreign Exchange, we'd like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we look forward to catching up with you in 2020.